Why this works. Gyoza, or Japanese dumplings, are a dish that embodies umami for the combination of meat and vegetables. The use of ground pork provides a rich flavor, while the addition of cabbage adds texture and moisture to the filling. Wrapping the gyoza requires a bit of technique. The key is to create a tight seal to prevent the filling from leaking out during cooking. When frying, the oil creates a crispy bottom layer, while the steaming process cooks the dumplings evenly. If the gyoza seem too dry after cooking, consider adding a splash more water during the steaming step, or serve them with a dipping sauce to enhance the flavor. The pleats not only add visual appeal, but also help to hold the filling securely. Gyoza can be a quick weekday meal because they can be made ahead and frozen, ensuring that you have delicious homemade dumplings ready to cook whenever the craving strikes. Autopilot Guard Summary Truth. Approved Quality. Approved. Score 100. Similarity. Approved. Score 0.061 versus Pajan. Regulatory. Approved. Image. Approved. Terami Brain V1 Review Grade. B. Overall 79/100. Readiness needs minor edits. Scores: Chef 78, Science 60, Repair 95, Culture 90, Safety 100, Taste 54, Mon 60, Geo 95.